2017 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter, one owner. He's had it since 2017, 50,000 miles, all original. You can always tell when it's a one owner truck. Look how clean that truck is. It's beautiful. Anyways, what we got done on it: factory converter, factory third converter. He didn't want too much noise, he wanted more performance. So we hit him up with the Borla Pro XS, part number 40359. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys, right there. So we cut the original muffler off. And with Borla, it's a little bit smaller, so you have to always add a piece of 3-inch to continue it, you know, to let it flow better and to make it fit, as you guys can see there. Then he didn't want it loud, he wanted the performance, so we left the resonator on it right there. And to complete the look, black all the way around, we added a black 5-inch tip out the back, as you guys can see. And it is a LT 5.3 liter. There's the original muffler that was on it right there. That sucker's huge. And you always want to cut this valve off, guys. You can see inside of there. If you don't, when you do any kind of muffler modification on it, it will rattle because it's spring loaded. So you can see it's spring loaded, see? So it will rattle. So make sure you guys always cut it off when you do that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. We got a 2021 Chevy Z71 Trail Boss, I think. Really nice truck. All decked out. I like these trucks. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there, as usual. Then they don't come with a third converter no more. So everybody smile and like that comments. Yay! Anyways, so he ordered the kit through Chevy. This is the Chevy's way of a performance kit. It's called the Borla Touring Edition. They make it just for the Chevy dealership, I guess. I don't know if you can order it online or not. We'll see if we can get you a kit, a price for it, I mean. But it goes from this joint all the way back 3-inch, and then you get this massive, and it's massive muffler, like 3 hands full, and my hands are huge. See that, guys? And then it wides out, and when they put it on, it didn't fit right, so that he brought it to us, and we fixed it for him. We had to do a little minor tweaks here and there to make it fit, and it comes with quad tips right there and right there, as you guys can see. 17 Chevy Silverado High Country. Top of the line. Beautiful truck. 6.2 liter V8. What we got done on it: factory converter, third converter after it wise in into a third converter. Then 3-inch pipe. We added a 3-inch because the original muffler is huge. So we added a 3-inch pipe in its place and put a Borla Atak crate muffler. Part number 400844. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. Borla Atak. Then we also left the resonator on it and the factory tip. Right there, factory tailpipe, factory tip, as you guys can see. And there's the muffler that we cut off. And you guys always want to cut that valve off when you do any type of muffler modification on these. If you don't, it will rattle. So make sure you guys do that, okay? This is what it looks like and sounds like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I know he's excited. That's idle. Give a guess? Perfect? It's not too loud, right? Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 92. Let's see if the wife notices, you know? I don't think she will. It's perfect. It's not too loud. You wanted the performance more, guys. Go ahead and back it up. It's perfect.
I wish I knew it before and after, but that's
You couldn't hear it before at all, no. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. That's what it sounds like. That's throaty. I like it. Sounds good. That's, sound decibels. About 92, 93. Doesn't look half bad. I like the dual tips on it. Borla Touring Edition. So that's the ones that GM gets, or Chevy, when you order a special performance kit for it, for the truck. That's what they'll get to put on. It's a Borla Touring. Not bad. High Country. We added a tip to it too, guys. I didn't like it without the tip, so we added a tip. Ooh. Not too much, just clean. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. It's a nice deep tone. Borla always sounds really nice. Again. Temperature's dropping. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. .3 with Borla Pro XS, stock resonator, and 5-inch tip. Barely showing. Oh yeah, man. Beast mode. Borla Touring Edition. That's their Chevy's performance package, part of it, and then an intake comes in too. They put an intake on it. Silverado High Country Borla Atak. That sounds good.